Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in with Elevate with Shantae. So today's treat I have for you guys, a horse. So basically, his name is Papi, and it's someone close that we know who is allowing us to, just pet the horse and take pictures and stuff. But stay tuned in for more on the way. So y'all, she is showing us what she does with Papi, the horse.
Okay. What's all? Hey, I see all them
Yeah, he got a lot of buttons.
little signals. Move right that way. That's all right.
Papi is so sweet. Oh, look at him. Yeah, he's moving. He is moving.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
He thinks he's going back to the shade.
He wants the shade.
Come on, pick up. He's tired.
Oh.
Wow. Get into their head, huh?
Yeah. Him is so sweet. He's beautiful. She said his name is Papi, right?
Happy.
Papi. Papi.
Get low.
Papi. Yeah, literally I did not bring any kind of shoes. I got on tennis shoes.
He's tired. He's tired as ever. Peppy.
Peppy.
His registered name is I'm a hot chili Peppy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Where did he go, Paul? Where is he?
Happy. What's up, buddy? Wow.
I don't know what they charge over there for stables. There he is. Damn, horse fly. He wants Peppy. Where'd he go? You see him?
So what you say, Peppy?
So I don't. Peppy stays out there at Ina's. He's at a private barn. He ain't in a boarding stable. But I come to Tanya, which she's up in age now.
Never stand in the back of a horse, guys. We all know that.
She's got to muck around a little bit with horses. Trouble loading horses, trouble loading. He looks like a garula color, like a gray.
Oh, okay.
And then I cut him about twice a year. What is that right there? I like to run over. What? Oh, it's a stick. No.
Look at his long hair. Love it. Love the hair.
Get up there.
All right.
Come on.
Oh, the trailer. Howdy. Y'all say howdy. Howdy, y'all. They on the horses over here. Stay full. Look at these guys. Now we don't know. How you doing, buddy?
Hey. Hello.
Hello. Y'all.
What are y'all doing? Shrimp stall?
Oh, let me watch where we stepped in.
Okay. I was gonna let my brother-in-law and his girlfriend go out, but she said they're really busy. So, whatever. Yeah. Oh, Brittany. Brittany doing good? Yeah. Freddie's out back? Come on, we're gonna ride here. Should I got my horse out there? I'm afraid someone's gonna steal him.
Oh, no.
I don't believe that.
Got a lot of them.
Yep, that's about. I bought Peppy from here. I bought Peppy from his granddaughter. He's a barrel racer. They started him on barrels, and they started.
What's going on, buddy? You big boy. Big boy.
He's like, I'm
He's a good
chilling.
boy.
Hello.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Hello there. Okay.
He's chilling, y'all.
Love this. Hey, sweetie. Hello.
Her name's Baby Doll.
Hey. How
That's
are
cute. Oh, they
you?
did her hair. That's cute.
Hey there.
Hey, girl, like your hair.
Love
Stylish. Did her braids on the side. Don't play with her.
Hey.
I love it.
Hello there, girl.
Where's your fan?
What's going on?
Fan on. How are you?
Hey.
Where's Freddie?
Hey.
Put the bag on.
To prevent the bugs and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, it's probably a lot of bugs in their eyes and stuff. That's what Kelly just said, Mike. Listen up.
I thought she was saying
Excuse me. They're with me. Yeah.
Do you guys board a horseback?
I used to. I bought Peppy from Casey. It's okay. You call Peggy, Casey the family. Yeah. What's your name? What's your name? What is it? Okay. Okay, Allison.
They are chilling.
Woo, it's hot. You feel that little bit of breeze coming
Yeah,
through?
with the shade.
Yeah.
He's chilling.
Yeah.
They are chilling. He like, look, I'm chilling. He's chilling. He is,
Come on,
yeah,
buddy.
he's hit pretty differently. He is chilling. This is like, hey, y'all. Hey. These are the different barns. Yeah, where do they, trying to figure out where they, who's always taking care of me? Who's taking care of me? Uh-oh. Somebody getting a little flustered. They are beautiful. She said they selling them. Hey, babies. He is. Hey. They are chilling.
So there's no people at 12. What time is it? It's 10:34. Okay.
Oh, were you a little early?
Kelly, because she'll say.
Hello? Hi. Can you get one of the saddle horses so she can get a picture?
Yeah, I'm so like,
Yeah.
I literally just want a
Ooh, Lord,
picture,
it's hot.
and we're gonna come back and ride them. But y'all know I gotta get pictures of being in action.
You'll probably have to come out here so she can get on a vlog. Sorry.
You getting on? Come on. I'll take a picture of you so you can get on. You gotta hurry up, okay? Because I don't know. They say ride at your own risk.
Oh, is she coming? Okay.
She's coming on the other side. That's a girl.
This is a boy.
It's a guy. Okay. She,
Yes.
you. All right. I feel like I'm. Hey, y'all. So we are at the park right now. We just left the horse stable and now we're at the park. So I'm going to give y'all a tour where this is what we're standing on. We're standing on the dock here. Just chilling. Trying to wait for an alligator. Crocodile to pop up. But here is our background. But y'all, yeah, this is currently where we at right now. Just chilling, just checking some stuff out. So yeah, looking at this beautiful nature here and my beautiful face, my beautiful team. But yeah, we're just out here chilling, relaxing, breathing in oxygen, getting some vitamin D. So yeah, that's just where we're at right now. So we're walking up the ramp onto another body of water. Hey y'all, I am back. So I had to take a break. I had to rest because that heat wore me out from earlier. As y'all can see, I look a little flustered. I really didn't want to come out the house, but I'm hungry, or we's hungry, and we had somewhere to get something to eat because I can't stop eating. Hey guys, so we're inside currently, and y'all know how I am about my food. I literally just wanted to go inside and like chill after the day that I had today, but I just ordered, but it was like I gotta keep moving because if I don't move for a long period of time I get lazy and like yeah, it's a wrap. So I don't really do the drive-thru. I can't do the drive-thru and stuff, but I'm trying to make it up. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all my food, of course. So here's the food. Y'all know I gotta get a salad. I gotta flush out this sugar. We got fries. Hey guys, so that concludes the end of today's video. Another day completed, and y'all, I am tired. And I was gonna work out, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna let my food digest because it looked like I'm picking up some weight, but I'm really not. It's just how the angle is from the camera. But anyway, who's judging? But I had a pretty productive day, or we did. We had a pretty productive day, and it was pretty cool. But yeah, if you like today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tap the notification bell at the top for more upcoming exciting, fun, adventurous vlogs and videos by yours truly. And yeah, I thank you guys for watching another video, and stay tuned for the next one.